Hey y'all, I just got through doing a haul and I'm going to do another haul. My Stitch Fix is the one that I just did, and that is a subscription that I do. And, you know, I keep thinking I'm going to not do it anymore, and then I find that I like everything that I got, and I decide, no, I'm going to keep it. So if y'all are wondering, does she just buy and buy and buy? These are subscriptions that I've had. Y'all saw the other haul I just did was a subscription to the Chrisley box, and that's, I think, quarterly. I need to look into when that one is, and I like it so far. And I like Stitch Fix so far, and the other one is HelloFresh, which is a food service. They bring to you all the ingredients. Excuse me, in the envelope. I keep belting. I'm so sorry. And so far I've liked that. So, but you know, it costs money, and every once in a while you got to say, okay, I got to reevaluate. Do I need all these? Is it truly saving me money? The grocery one is, because I'm not going to the grocery store anymore except for paper goods. No kidding. And picking up my dad's groceries. But today I have miscellaneous things. So one was from Home Shopping Network, and I forgot to show y'all this the last time, but it's made by Wen, W-E-N, and they've been around a long, long time, and they take a lot of pride on the quality ingredients and what this can do for you. And I can't remember if I got the shampoo, but I got this conditioner, and you put it on. This is what a lot of people who really are trying to help you with dry hair, which is mine because it's been processed for, you know, however I am, 60 years, mine is maybe 15 years. No, I was 12 and I was processing my hair, so a long time, 50 years, 40 years. And with coloring and sun in back then, and then hairspray and all kinds of stuff. And this is just kind of restores your hair. It's a cleansing conditioner. Oh, that's right, it's a shampoo and conditioner. So it cleanses your hair. But it conditions it, and you put it on, you rinse, you lather it up real good, and you rinse it out, and you put it on again. And then I think the second time, you leave it in. Yeah, leave it in as and you only do like a dime size, and probably not up here where it could look greasy, but on the ends where it really needs that conditioning. Texture as a leave-in conditioner, just soaking wet hair. For best results, we suggest you cleanse, rinse, repeat, using half the recommended pumps for the first cleanse and the remaining half for the second cleanse. Unlike many other ordinary shampoos, you may find out you don't need to wash your hair as often or cleanse as often. So we'll see. This scent, it's rice-based, gluten-free. This scent is called Hope, or the fragrance is named Hope. And they're very big on the fact that they're combining amino acids, peptides, and antioxidant-rich 4T complex. And they use exclusively bamboo water complex rich vitamins, minerals, and silica to help improve your hair growth. So it's very much about hair cleansing, hair growth, hair repair. And it comes with a pump, and it's with a shampoo and conditioner, and I believe the guy that made this is Chaz Dean. I tried it years and years ago. It's very, very expensive, I will tell you, but this is all you use. You use a lot of it. So we'll see. Maybe I'll go exclusive to this for a week or two and just see. Does it really make a difference? So I'll let you guys know. The other thing is the same fragrance, Hope, and it's the Ultra Nourishing Intensive Body Treatment. It's gluten-free. And again, let me just smell this fragrance. It's got the little safety seal. Oops. I forgot how that works. They stick it on the top so it looks like you're going to peel it back, but it just pulls this top off. Oh, that's very nice. Very calming. Very calming. Yeah, it almost smells like chamomile, and we'll just put it right there. Oops, that was now not going to be cleansed. But once you put your hands in, I had just washed my hands because I came in like I told y'all. Let's just see how nourishing does it feel. Is it greasy? Is it making a difference? And because my hands are very dried out from washing them all day. When I'm, you know, doing all that kind of work, you wash your hands from, you know, doing breakfast and then doing the dishes and then, you know, working in the yard, washing your hands, going to the restroom, washing your hands again, going back out, washing your hands again, you know, and it gets very dried out. So initially, it's a very, it looks like it is very nurturing, y'all. And it's not greasy, but I feel like it really has made my skin very moist without being greasy. So I do like it. We'll see. So again, I'm going to use that these two products exclusively for a couple weeks and see, is it worth it? And if it is, I will let you guys know. I got that from Home Shopping Network. The next thing is I fell in love with two brands. One of them is Sundance. Again, very expensive, so I have to watch it. Is there something I really want? And I bought a pair of shoes I think I've already showed y'all. It's half boot, half heel. I'm still trying to decide if I'm going to keep them because they're really cool. But how much am I going to wear a heel anymore? You know, really, and I've got heels, so. But the other company that I've tried lately besides Sundance that I really, really like is Peruvian Connection. Their clothes are kind of all natural, boho looking. And I don't know if it's just work from home or what, but I just like the look. Even, you know, when you go back to work, you still can have a real natural look. So we'll see what I do with this. Because, again, it's not cheap. All that big thing, all that was cushioning for this one box. For a pair of earrings. I thought I only bought a pair of earrings. It's got all these extra cushionings. My gosh, how fragile are the earrings. Okay, there they are in this black box, very pretty. They really want to make sure nothing happened to these earrings. They weren't that expensive. They're called Tidal River, and it's a piece of turquoise, a piece of copper on the bottom, and two little beads. Really like them. They could go with what I have on really well, like really well. I love sticks that have a flat side so that they kind of just flash the light. I have a pair of gold ones y'all saw that I just got, but these are kind of a bronzy look, and I thought they'd look really good with my my new dress that I got. I'm trying to think, did I even show y'all all that? I have to look back through my own videos and see, did I show y'all what I got to wear to my niece's wedding? So, it was I said cow print, but it's not cow print, it's pony hair print. But it's not real pony hair. But anyway, I love these. I absolutely love these. This is what I'm talking about, that kind of boho, natural look, but it's you know, if you wanted to dress it up, you could wear it with a cream colored shirt and a scarf, or you know, have your hair real pretty, and these could look dressy just as much as they could look great with I'd put these with cream, or because they got that kind of teal blue creamy color turquoise. It's not the dark turquoise, it's lighter, and just the warm metals, I think that'd be real pretty with green. What do y'all think? What do y'all think of these? So I love this. Love them. I think it's so very odd how overpacked it was, to be honest. Great tissue. 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 Y'all, this is way too much. I think they're trying to make it a very elegant experience, but I think this is too much. And then I have two pieces of this. They're really trying to keep them, I guess, because maybe they're kind of fragile. Because this had this on top of the earrings and under the earrings. And they're very deep box. So, each piece is specially crafted, often using natural materials to variances in colors. We hope you enjoy these beautiful artesian earrings. And then it's got the same thing in German. That's an interesting choice. And then, of course, they have the outer tissue wrap with their logo on it, which I'll throw that away. The rest I will use to repurpose in packaging at Christmas time. And I'm going to try to see is the price on these. Yeah, these were under $50. I mean, they're really nice. Tidal River earrings, $49. But I love them. And I loved this. I definitely am not going to return these. So I'll keep this for really no reason because I'm not returning them. I really do like them. I sure love them. So I feel like I got two really nice earrings today. Is there anything else? I think that's actually it because I already showed y'all what I got in the Chrisley box. So that's it. Oh, there is one more thing. But I'm going to wait and unbox this in a separate video. So hold on and I will give you, instead of a part 2, just another video. I'll see you in just a minute. Bye!